We have a product that we're going to demonstrate briefly on, and we're going to show you how easy it is to install. And what is it? It's a fence lock. It comes everything in here that you need, nice and closed. And you've got an old fence that needs to have its lock changed because it's rusted out. And there you have it. It opens and closes. And you put a lock on it, either side. And you have the little hinge over here that goes like so. So when you open it and you free it, you're able to keep it locked on or locked closed. You get 4 screws for this particular piece and 2 screws for this particular piece. As we install our product, you have 5 holes. Now you have a hole on the bottom as well that you can get into here like so. And you have a hole over here. And you have a hole over here. You just move the hinge like so. So now this is installed and you can go left and right. So hang this up like so, you place it on. And what you want to do is you want to level it and you want to make sure that it goes freely. Lock it into place. To prevent somebody from coming in, you take a lock and now they can't open it no matter what. So this is closed, and if you want to do the same thing and lock it open, you can do so. Very strong, very durable, great for those fences, backyards where you need to just put something that swinging door swings open all the time. Gate, a shed, you name it, this product may be right for you.